Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, I feel like it's ended up being a massive 3-day vlog, I think. It was kind of over the course of a week, but like 3 days out of the week, if that makes any sense. It started off being come on a night out in my shitty ass small town with me. But because of exactly what it says in the title, I obviously didn't get enough footage because there's just nothing to freaking do. And I had a really exciting shoot with Shan on Monday, so I brought you guys along to that. I don't know how much footage I actually got from that. I'm gonna pop it in anyway. And then I went to a Boohoo event, which was actually insane. You guys know how much I love a Boohoo event. And I went with Shan as well, and we literally had the best time. So I vlogged that for you guys as well. So I really hope you all do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Just before we actually do get into this video, I've got a little unboxing for you guys, which I'm really excited about. I've actually got 2 things to unbox. I'm actually so excited. So this is the first box, this is the second box. These have literally just come, so I've just like taken it out of the box, and I thought, you know what, I need to quickly film this now because I was so impatient, but I was like, you know what, I need to wait for the reveal on the video. So I picked these 2 products out. I'm gonna pop all of the information down below so you guys can go and check them out. What should we start off with? This is the box it comes in, all packaged up so nicely. I'm so excited. I've wanted these for such a while now. To open it up, you've got the dust bag. Wow. I've been after a new pair of nude trainers for so long now. So when I saw these, oh my god, I'm so excited. They are the nude Balenciaga tracks. So this is kind of like what they look like. The quality of these is actually unbelievable. It even has Balenciaga on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has a track on the back, the double B's on the front, and then this is what the sole looks like. These have actually got some weight to them as well. Wow, they are so cool. Like I said, I've been after a pair of nude trainers for so long now. This one actually comes with like a little tag on the side. These are actually my new babies. These have honestly got so much weight to them. They honestly look incredible. Wow. Oh my god, I actually can't wait to wear these when I go to Paris. God, stop it. They are so comfy. They look sick. Guys, these are actually my new babies. I'm pretty sure the website's called XXxx Luxury, but I'll put all the information down below. Them trainers are sick. This is something that I've wanted for such a long while now, and you can't believe it. So here is the box that it comes in. This is also heavy. Okay, here is the dust bag. Let's reveal together. So I picked up the nude Dior saddlebag. I was thinking, do you know what, we'll get a new trainers, let's get a nude bag to match. The nude Dior saddle. I feel like this is the biggest size because this is quite big. Should I take all of this off? I've just taken off all of the packaging and this is what it looks like. How incredible. It also has this little pocket at the back, which I love. I need to invest in a card holder because I do not have a card holder. So this is going to be perfect for that. She is so cute. Do you know what? It's actually a really, really nice size. Guys, they've given me the long strap. And then it also comes with the long strap. How incredible is this? And then it also has Christian Dior on the back. On the strap it has Dior engraved here. The strap is incredible. And then inside the bag just has this really nice like linen lining. It has Dior down there. I don't know if you guys can see. Actually a really good amount of room in this bag. I wasn't expecting it to be as big as it is. Like I'll definitely be able to fit like my camera in there, my phone, my lip gloss and stuff. I'm gonna link them down below. Make sure to go and check them out. You guys are gonna be seeing me styling these pieces loads. So make sure to go and check it out on my other socials because I'm so excited. Do you know what, I'm gonna be wearing these all the time and you're gonna be like, Shannon, I'm sick of seeing you in it, but yay. And thank you so much to XXxx Luxury for sending these out to me. I'm back with another little night out vlog. Long story short, I'm going out in my shitty ass small town. Going out with 2 of my best friends from home, and I thought it'd be fun to just bring you guys along. What a night out is like for me when I'm at home. So I've just had my hair done. I'm actually going out with short hair tonight. Who is she? I can't tell you the last time I done that. Yeah, just please excuse the fact that she's a little short, she's a little thin. I'm just gonna embrace it, you know. I will show you my outfit. My room's in absolute state, so don't judge. I have got the new IKEA mirror, so I really need to like actually take the tape off it and stuff. But this crop blazer on from Boohoo, the top is Zara, and then I've got these really cool cargos that I've just picked up from Boohoo. How sick are they? I had to get them in a size 10 because the 8 sold out, so they are a little bit big for me, but I'm kind of loving the fit of them. As you can probably guess, I'm late as usual. I'm half an hour late already because I didn't get back until 6 for my hair, so I need to quickly go and drop my car at Cal's, and then I'm gonna head and meet the girls. So I'm just off to walk to meet the girls, and then we're probably gonna go somewhere like nice for a few cocktails and then end up in Spoons. I was like, do we just do the whole night in Spoons? And I was like, do you know what, let's go for somewhere nice for drinks first. First drink of the night. I feel like I'm gonna have a drink count and see how fucked I get, so that's gonna be hilarious.
Is that even nice with lemonade?
Yeah, it's really, do you want to try it? I've got an Aperol of lemonade because I hate soda, it's really bitter.
Is it normally with soda?
Yeah, you always got to get it with lemonade. No?
Fucking mayonnaise.
They don't have mayonnaise? You're lying. You mean they don't have mayonnaise?
They were like, I think I've run out of mayonnaise. I said, what? And
How can you not have mayonnaise?
And I was like,
I'm not. I can't eat my meal. Refund me.
Sorry, here even I.
Here is our stomach lining meal for the evening. Health as
I
well.
can't believe you got that shout out to telling me not to get that.
No, you said about the 3 for £12 but steep, and I went £12 but steep. They were £1. They weren't part of the 3 for 12. They weren't part of the 3 for 12. Obviously, guys, would really recommend coming out where I live. It's just honestly such vibes. Like, can you hear the music pumping? It's really the girls are all on Aperol. I say we just down it.
I knew you were going to say that. I literally knew you were going to say that.
I say we down it and get fucked.
You're camera singed, mate.
Oh no, not fluffy bucky. Got to cheers it. That's the rules.
He's had a Rennie.
Plenty more.
So cold, mate. What, you're seasoned at this?
I always say I'm seasoned at downing it, but I can never down it.
Do you like
so
just do
cold.
cuts in your video and you're like, yeah, I'm downing it?
Dog, like 10 minutes missing.
Down it went well.
I'm gonna need another Rene.
The fuck is a Rene?
I could need another Renee. What are they called? Rennie.
Like, honestly, right, look how hard the chairs are. I feel like I'm literally sitting on concrete.
No, I feel like
this looks kind of embarrassing that this is our Saturday night. Love how we've literally come out for all these classy drinks when we all well know we're going to end up in spoons after this.
Yeah.
A espresso martini. I haven't had one of these in a while.
come over here. So I went over there, I come back, you got 2 shots. I was like, I can't.
Wow.
Nice.
Try it? No, yeah, come on. You've got to try. Fuck off. Nice.
Okay, I'll try next.
That's not actually...
It's like hella creepy.
You're not going to like it.
I mean,
Not that bad, right?
it's a bit like a Costa, isn't it?
Like an undone.
By the way, guys, I wouldn't really recommend going to the old pasta machines in Tesco's. Wouldn't recommend going to them. She doesn't clean it.
Well, I told you all of the mouldy milk around.
Relocating again. I don't know if you guys can see the disco lights in the distance. This is where our night ends. I know for a fact the music. Look, can you see the disco lights? I know for a fact the music is going to be absolutely awful, and it's going to be full of old people.
Bang on.
This is our night.
Anyone wants us to visit, please come. It's beautiful.
Yeah, honestly, if you want to come, like, why has there been no one out? By the way, I swear there's like 20,000 people that live here.
No one out except.
I mean, most
think
of
it's
them
like
are
15.
above like
Where the
50.
Do not pick that up. Good morning, everyone. So look who I'm with.
Morning.
And before we go for a shoot today, we're really nervous, by the way. Like, I'm actually...
I'm shitting myself. I'm so scared.
Yeah, I'm really scared. But we're going to go for a little morning sunbed. By the way, excuse my voice. Don't really know what's happened. I think it's hay fever throat. I literally sound like a man. I literally sound like a man. But yeah, we're going to go for a little sunbed. It is just gone 9:30.
Early for us.
Really early. And then we're going to come back and get ready and go.
I'm really scared.
We're really scared. But hopefully I can properly, like, vlog. So we've just finished on the shoot and we've come to Lakeside Shopping Centre because it's just down the road. We're going to get some food. The shoot was really good, but it was like way more chill than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I feel like we were stressing ourselves out about it for no reason.
Yeah, but it was really fun.
Yeah, we had the best time.
Yeah.
And we get to keep some things.
Ooh, yeah. We've literally got 3 blazers between us.
Lol.
Love it. But yeah, we're going to go get some food, go to Primark, go to Zara. Because it's like 5 o'clock, so we were like, there's no point driving home now. So it's going to be stressful.
It'll take us long to get home.
It was stressful just driving here for a 6-minute journey in rush hour, let alone.
Fuck that.
We are at Nando's. Shan's having some camera issues. Ron don't want to try this drink. It's literally insane. I get the strawberry cordial with lemonade. Unreal.
Even I approve, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, we were just saying that we went to Zara and Primark.
Yeah, Primark.
Best Primark I've ever been in. But yeah, best Primark I've ever been in. We've been in Zara. We were spraying the perfumes because I really need a new perfume, and I didn't really like any of them. Oh no.
Ew.
Oh no.
Try that. Is it just
Gas has gone in that.
That's flat.
I wondered why this tasted flat.
Back to the point.
Back to the point, I sprayed perfumes. I didn't like any of them in there, but now I literally can't stop smelling this particular perfume. It smells incredible. It literally smells insane.
It does.
Like, better than Red Temptation, I think. Food is here, of course. I had to get some form of green on my plate, so broccoli it is today.
Can't relate. About carbs,
I actually kind of am jealous of your mash and chips combo today, not gonna lie. Well, I know I didn't get mash, I really fancy chips today. Hello, I'm in London. Obviously I was running late, I'm with Shan.
I'm here.
By the way, look how freaking bright we are. I can't. I actually love it. But obviously I was not ready in time this morning to vlog, and please excuse my voice, but we're gonna get ran over. Please excuse my voice because I've got a cold. And I feel like, you know when you feel like you're talking out of your nose?
You do sound like that.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
But we are on our way to Harry's.
Our favourite place.
Oh,
I had to line Aston.
Yes. And I didn't even say, I've literally got a Boohoo event today where we've got a whole day. So it's like 3 till 6 and then 6 till 9. Or 6:30 till 9. Long story short, we're gonna be downing so much Prosecco. Okay. We're gonna be so Prosecco drunk, so we're gonna get Prosecco now as well. I'm so excited for Harry's. I feel like every single time we come, I'm like, we need to really book somewhere different, but
I don't want to though.
here we are. No, neither. I haven't eaten. We've got new drinks today. We were gonna get the Prosecco, but we decided.
What even is in this? Limoncello.
Lemon sorbet, sherbet. I don't know. Just starting here, and then we'll do taste test. When we're both vlogging, it's like, okay, you take it in turns. They're quite small. Down it? So nice. That's really nice. Yay! We were just taking pics and they came and interrupted. Love that from us. But oh my god, this is literally not going to last 5 seconds on that plate. I'm that hungry.
Smell it already, I'm like
unreal. I want to appreciate every mouthful I have. The best ever. Yeah, that was too good.
Let's get the meal.
We have arrived.
Made it.
We've actually, do you know what, when we got in, we get to like take 3 things off the rail and fill it up. So hence
I've only got 3.
Yeah, I think I've got 4 or 5.
You've got about 12.
But yeah, vlog chat, but we're here. We've got the goodies. I'll show you guys around after, but we're just coming to get a frozen cocktail. I'm so excited for this. I'm also so thirsty.
It's like a little ice cream party. If you've heard of pan and ice, it's them. What they do
I've
like.
had a pan and ice before.
Yeah, so far.
Here it is, and we're gonna have a frozen cocktail.
Passion fruit, martini, please.
Thank you so much. Yay!
You can pour now. Yes,
Mine's better than yours.
one more time. Try it one more time and then that's it. I feel like you're using the whole thing. Yeah, you did so well.
Yay! Thank you guys so much. I feel so accomplished.
I feel like a chef.
I was literally doing, you know when you're doing that, I'm thinking I'm getting royally judged right now because I do not know what I'm doing. Guys, Prosecco, this is the first one we've had and we're already like down it. By the way, Shannon's camera's on my Hello, how are we?
Down it.
We're back to downing it. We got all three flavours mixed in one. Let's get a lot of food.
There's mac and cheese bites.
Right, I'm saying they look like mac and cheese. Them ones there.
They look like cauliflower to me.
Guys, I got cauliflower as well because you know me, helping.
I've got red sauce, but I don't want it to be kept. You didn't cheers it again.
We've got a half an hour break, so we've come to this place.
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Right, we were meant to have a half an hour break, and now we've only got 6 minutes. But we thought we'd come for a little drink before.
Can we just speak about the size of this rosé?
Treated. And this place that we've come to is so cute, isn't it?
Great, look at our chairs.
I love the chairs. The chairs are really cool. We don't know how much this will be, so we'll keep you updated. It's better be a nice rosé.
We wonder how much it cost.
Nice.
Really nice.
Really nice.
Usually with rosé I'm like a bit, but that's
I
actually
thought
really
you were going to be
nice.
all at that. So I like that.
That's really nice.
We're now heading back to Boohoo. Just saying to Shannon, I haven't even told you guys, Craig David is playing for the second part of this evening. Craig David's performing.
Can't wait to see Craig David.
Woo! Patrick topping. By the way, guys, I love Patrick topping. And this is Patrick topping. I mean, it's we don't really know what it is.
They definitely just put his name on the menu.
That's really tempted us. They put his name on the menu and there I am. We're about to watch Craig David. Hello, look who I'm with.
My ravers, hey, hey. When the bassline drops, you know what to do. The forest, the vibe inside of here. First time performing here at Boohoo show, so I just want to kind of set the tone. This is what we call Tiers 5. If you don't know, let me break it down on something like this. Strumming my pain is free. But it's similar to this like, hey, yeah, yeah, come on, hey, yeah, yeah. Front to the back, that's where I was at. Is it really life? Is it all in my life? Is it crazy? I've been of you all of the time. Now ravers, getting faded, faded. We're going in, ready for the weekend. It don't matter where you are as long as you're with me. You can never like, hey, the baseline drops, you know what to do. It's going out to all of my. I hope you're ready to turn you on. It's like this. I ain't found nothing like this. Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We could make it love by Wednesday.